Today we're checking back in with Decentraland's Mana coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Mana go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome into the Mana chart, guys. If you're looking to buy Mana or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And as you can see, quite a bit has happened since we last took a look at Mana. My prediction was we would break back below that 200-day moving average on the 24th of January, which was sitting at that point at $1.91, and then go down and, potentially touch that key point of resistance at $1.70. And whilst, as you can see, we did have a break of that 200-day, we didn't get down as far as that point, and we had a nice little bounce back and a close significantly higher, which was at $2.08. So all in all, I'm glad that prediction was wrong. You get them wrong sometimes, guys. That's just the way it is. And as you can see, we have climbed, but I'm just going to extend some key points. Before we do that, I'm extending out that key point at $1.71. I'm going to extend out our previous point of resistance at $2.68. As you can see, it acted as a major resistance point so far on this run, and it was proving quite hard to get to, but that 20-day moving average came up as a key point of support. Furthermore, another point of horizontal support at $3, and it looks like about 12 cents, of course, has been breached yesterday. And that's basically where we are sitting at the moment. Sitting now at $3.29. The next target on our list is the $3.43 mark. I don't know if we're going to be able to hit it, but based on what the overall market is doing at the moment, I suspect it is certainly a possibility. It's interesting to see as well that whilst many other coins trended sideways during this period, at least that we're seeing from about the 22nd of January through to over here on the 1st of February, Mana actually managed to climb, which is really, really interesting. And I believe Sand did, which is the Sandbox's coin. So it looks like Metaverse coins got a bit of attention over that time frame. Now, where we're sitting now, where are our key targets moving forward? Well, of course, first and foremost, we want to see $3.43 broken or tested in the near future. And of course, second to that, we don't want to see this point of support over here at $3.10 broken. We want to see if the momentum can basically maintain itself, because if I zoom out, something very, very cool has actually happened for us. We've managed to break out of our downtrend. That is our downtrend, you can see, which was going from, I suppose, quite a long period of time over here. At the end of November, we were downtrending all that way down. And of course, we had on the 31st of January, a big breach of that downtrend where we managed to break out. We fell back down, tested it once again. As you can see, there was multiple tests of that downtrending line, but then we have managed to soar and climb significantly higher than it. So I can safely say that the downtrend on Mana, at least, has been broken. I'm hoping we see the same for many other cryptos. I've just done a video on XRP as well, guys. The exact same thing has happened, so be sure to check that one out as well. But let's have a look at a few more indicators. First and foremost, let's have a look at the RSI. Now, the RSI has risen quite sharply, as you would expect, given the fact that we have seen quite a significant increase in the value of Mana over such a short period of time. On the 22nd of January, we were at a low point of 28.44, and yesterday on the 6th of February, we hit a high point of 64.57 so far on this current run. Today, we're having a bit of consolidation, which, to be quite honest, is probably a good thing. Allows things to cool off slightly, trend sideways potentially, and it allows the market to catch up to Mana. Means Mana's not the only coin running. It is an overall market run, which will help Mana in the long term. So all in all, looking relatively good at this point in time. A bit more room on the RSI left, but of course, be mindful that there has been a lot of buying activity and not too much selling. So you may see some traders starting to sell off. MACD, let's have a quick look at this one as well. As you can see, 29th of January, we had a beautiful cross of the 12-day EMA above the 26-day EMA, and we look like we'd potentially hit a peak here on the 1st of February, but that was when we managed to, get through, retest, and continue to smash those key points of resistance after breaking out of our downtrend. So really, really looking good at this point in time. The peak doesn't look like it has necessarily been touched yet. Although in saying that, this will be a defining day for that little run, because I'm going to expect we're going to see, potentially a doji of indecision at this point in time before another run. Maybe on the hourly, if we actually go to that, we're going to see a bit of a flag pattern potentially forming. Just zooming in slightly, that's exactly the case. Bit of a flag pattern that has formed itself here. It is a bullish flag pattern, which is good. So I'm expecting to see within the next few hours potentially a breakout and getting above that $3.40 mark. As a result of that, I am revising my key target for this to be $3.82. I'm bullish on this coin. It's just lining up really, really well with the overall setup of things. And of course, if the market continues its nice little pump that we've seen today and over the past few days, we will easily see a breakout. So I'm expecting to see, consolidation, then breakout in an upwards direction to hit that key point that we're seeing at $3.84. Zooming out, you can see things are still looking relatively good for this coin. This in particular, for me, is a game changer, showing that this downtrend has been broken for a few days consecutively now, where we have seen high lows and high highs. We've continued to break all those key points of resistance. Goal for today is to see if we can, within the next week or so, hit that $3.83 mark. That wraps up today's analysis on Manacoin, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video as well, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.